Yes, I'm aware that this is a weird background. You don't gotta tell me. Just keep watching the video. It gets good. I'm Nemesis. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Okay, yes, I know that this background is weird. Just give me a couple of weeks. I am currently working on the permanent background that I want for my videos. This is not it. Anyway, so before we get started, let's talk about the song called The Mini Mini Me. I'm gonna be super honest with y'all. Ever since this damn album came out, I have not stopped listening to it back to back on repeat, especially on days that I'm going to the gym. It's too good. And I'm referring to Daddy Yankee's Daddy Yankee's last album, Legendary. Yeah, we already established I'm Puerto Rican. I'm always gonna put you on to whatever reggaeton shit is trending, okay? But anyways, my favorite song of that album is Remix. What an energy booster, bro. If you're ever at the gym and it's time to do cardio and you don't have any motivation, just put that song on repeat. You will run 10 miles on that motherfucking treadmill. No problem. That's it. Let's move on. Alright, so as you saw by the title, you already know what we're gonna do today. I'm gonna walk you through my step-by-step routine on wash days that I want to hit the reset button on my hair and on my scalp, and I also want to rock out my naked curls and waves. And by naked, I mean I'm not gonna be using any stylers such as defining creams, gels, mousses, custards, anything like that, and it's gonna be fun. So I'm gonna show you how I get some definition, frizz control, shine, and just my waves and curls looking cute, but not depending on any like heavy styling or styling products. But before we get started, I should mention that a portion of today's video is going to be sponsored by our friends at Ceremonia. If you've never heard of Ceremonia, which, are you living under a rock? They're a wonderful hair care brand. They are Latinx owned. All of the products and the active ingredients that they use on their formulas are like deeply rooted in Latinx culture and in Latinx land, and they cater to all hair types, from straight to wavy to curly to coily. So yeah, they're gonna be a part of today's wash day. Now without further ado, babes, let's get started. Hi besties, welcome back again to my bathroom. This is the beginning of my wash day, and as I already mentioned, today is all about hitting the reset button on my scalp and on my curls. So I'm gonna be using this super cool product from Flora and Curl. It's their Soothe Me Coconut Mint Curl Refresh Clay Wash, which, as the name suggests, is essentially a clay mask but for your hair and for your scalp. Genius in my opinion. So you basically mix up 2 tablespoons of the clay mask with 6 tablespoons of water, stir that shit up until it looks like this gross thing, but I promise it's actually good for you. I personally chose to use this kind of like a pre-poo treatment that I can then rinse off and then wash my hair, but I'm pretty sure you can also wash your hair and then use the treatment and then rinse it off and then condition, whatever. This was my instinct, okay? So as you saw, I dampened my hair all over, divided into sections, and then I'm gonna apply the product from root to tip. The clay in this product serves as a purifier, which exfoliates the scalp. It absorbs excess oil, dirt, flakiness, and buildup, but it also has like moisturizing and softening ingredients for your curls like coconut, banana, lavender, etc, etc. It overall just feels very soothing on the scalp. You can tell that there's some eucalyptus and peppermint oil in there, but nothing too intense. And then I put on my clown looking ass cap, shut up, don't judge me, left it on for 15 minutes, and then I hopped in the shower to carry on with the rest of my wash day routine. Yay! For shampoo and conditioner, I use the Eva NYC Lift Off Volume Shampoo and Conditioner. Nothing too crazy to say about them. They're good, affordable, sustainable packaging, good formula, nothing too crazy. I don't know about the whole volume thing, but they're okay. They're good. I would give it like a 7 out of 10 because of that volume claim, but it did cleanse my scalp really well. Plus, with that Flora and Curl treatment, your girl was clarified. Alright, and now for the styling portion, my favorite part, where the magic actually starts to happen. I'm of course starting by gently detangling my hair, and as I mentioned at the beginning, a portion of today's video is sponsored by Ceremonia, so I will be using one of their star products, the Ceremonia Pecky Curl Activator. Okay, hold on. We're gonna have to stop the tapes for a minute because I have to give a disclaimer. Okay, I know I've spoken about this product before on my channel, and I mentioned that I was kind of confused about it because I didn't understand its function or how to use it, because I was convinced that it was supposed to be kind of like a defining cream substitution or just a defining cream in itself, and it is not. So now that I know how to use it and what its function is, please allow me to demonstrate. The Ceremonia Pecky Curl Activator is a milky, lightweight curl defining serum. That's where I got it wrong the first time I used it. Don't judge me, okay? It was a learning curve. But now my favorite personal way of using it is by dividing my hair in 4 main sections and taking an amount like this. In my opinion, a little bit goes a very long way with this one. Since it's such a milky consistency, your hair will absorb it right away. So I just work that amount into each section, but before I take a minute to breathe it in because everything from Ceremonia smells like actual paradise. Like, how do you do it? Anyways, getting off track here. So I love raking it through my hair and then adding a little bit of brush styling just to get those curl clumps to look even extra juicy. I mean, look at the evidence in 3, 2, 1. I mean, hello, come on. And then I repeat the same exact step all over that section. Not only does it help with my definition, but it also helps to distribute the product better. And look how balanced and nourished my curl clumps already look, baby. But look at the section without product. She's frizzy, she's stringy, she's not giving. Let's do her right now. There we go. Much better, much more balanced. She is now nourished and hydrated. And from here, I just repeat the same exact steps all over my hair. So now let's talk a little bit deeper about Miss Pecky Curl Activator. I think what I didn't understand before about this product is how does a hair serum work and what does it even do? And the best way I can explain it is by comparing it to a skincare serum. They are usually very concentrated formulas meant to target a very specific thing, and that is the case with this product as well. The point of it is not to really add any external hold to your curls, but to add nourishment, hydration, and essential conditioning from within so the definition comes naturally. For me, this is as if they mixed a treatment with a styler, which is what makes it such a perfect product for these types of very low lift wash day routines. So now that the product has been applied everywhere, I'm just doing a little bit of micro plopping and we're gonna move on to the second Ceremonia product of the day. This is the Ceremonia Diffuser de Rizos. It's a silicone collapsible diffuser that attaches to literally any blow dryer. It's made to fit into most styles, and it is probably the most aesthetically pleasing shade of blue in the world. I also love that it has this many little holes because it always ensures faster drying. And as I mentioned in my beginner's guide video, a collapsible diffuser is the best tool you can get as a curly or wavy hair beginner. It'll fit into whatever hair dryer you already have, and it's super convenient for travel or even drying your hair at the gym. Trust me, babes, if you have curly hair, you'll need a diffuser. This is how it looks when you use one versus without. It's too intense and it'll activate frizz right away. And now for final results, here we are. Hair is fully dry, and as you can see, like, my waves look so relaxed. There's no gel cast, there's absolutely nothing, but there's still definition, there's still frizz control. They just look like relaxed beachy waves. I know it's very different from what you usually see when I show you my wash day results, but I still think it's so pretty. It's kind of like my hair but on vacation. It's very liberating to not have to worry so much about perfect definition. And of course, I'm gonna finish everything off with a little bit of oil. I'm gonna be using the Ceremonia Oil Mist con Aloe Vera, which is super hydrating, amazing for locking in that hydration and moisture, especially on these little curls right here that get super dry, but look at them thriving right now. I mean, it's a vibe. It's giving mermaid vibes. It's giving mermaid hair. Don't fight me on this. I'm so glad I finally learned how to use this product because the results speak for themselves. And if you want to give this duo a try or any other goodies from Ceremonia, make sure to use my code NemesisMarie10 for 10% off your purchase. And now let me bring you back to Nemesis from the beginning.
Hi, welcome back. How was that? Was that soothing, entertaining, but also educational, but also useful, but also a little bit creative, but also like everything you would want in a video and more? I really hope so. No, but seriously, I mean, I absolutely love that routine that I have going on. I try to do that like at least once a month or once every few weeks, just when I really need my hair to just be as clean and like as product free as possible. I really recommend doing this type of routine. You don't have to replicate exactly what I do, but whatever works for you to give your curls and your waves just a break from products, because it can feel not just tiring for your hair but for your freaking mind too, that every single time you have to wash your hair you have to go through like 17 steps for it to go right. It can get exhausting. So doing a little routine like this every once in a while is great for your hair, for your mind, for your body, your soul. And that's it. I really hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Also, you should go follow me on Instagram at NemesisMarie06 and on TikTok at whatever my TikTok handle is. I can never remember exactly the combination of numbers and letters that it is, but that one, go follow me there. Also, thank you so much to Ceremonia for sponsoring today's video. I love you guys so much. And most importantly, girls, boys, gender non-binaries, have a great rest of your day. Bye.